You know when you have one of those blank stares and you think they're not looking? Well, I am. Ice cream lovers, welcome to St. Louis, Missouri, the crossroads of the West. Shing, shing. Welcome to this Scoop School session. Nice to have you here. Cool Tools is back. We haven't done Cool Tools for a while, but we're excited about it. And look, the episode sponsor for this video is the master of Cool Tools himself, Dan Blessing from ABW Innovations. I just found out the other day that ABW means a better way. We use ABW Innovations. We have a cone genie sitting over there. We roll cones with it. We have all of ABW temperature sensors in our kits here around freezers, fridges around Scoop School. The link is down below. Talk to Dan about your cone rolling and temperature alerting needs. Let's go straight into the jingle. Cool Tools, Cool Tools. It's been a long time since I've actually heard the jingle, so I don't know how long it goes for. So we're just going to dance a little bit more, just to make sure we get everything in. Wouldn't it be funny if Madeline actually never put the jingle in and it was just me dancing in the silence? Okay, the cool tool we're going to talk about today is this little fella here. It's an Utalent Cordless Blender and Whisk. Okay, I bought this because I wanted something a little bit more nimble and flexible. I was giving a whipped cream presentation at ConeCon 2024. And so I came across this. I loved being able to charge it up, use it on the stand there, demo, and I've been using it in the development of recipes and in our kitchen ever since. It's got an on-off button here. It's not a USB charge. It actually comes with a small little charging cord, which is fine. Holds a good charge. You've got your on-off button there. Multiple green lights tell you how much charge, and you've got your button here. It comes with two attachments. You've got your blending attachment, and you've got your whisk attachment. It's kind of like your phone. As long as it's charged up, this is one of the best tools that we use in flavor development. So, practical demonstration. What I have down here, Madeline, is I've got some water here. Look, I was going to put these two together. Silly me. Okay, I've got some water here. We'll put the whisk attachment on. Goes on nice and easy. We'll drop some food coloring in there. Let's give this a whirl. Button on and, oh, look at that. So good. Okay, that's our whisk attachment. Drop our blender attachment on. A little bit of blue over here. Blink, blink, blink. Let's get it rolling. Fantastic. I love this cool tool. I use it in class. I use it with small batches. The shaft isn't long enough here to use it in kind of a 3-gallon bucket or a 12-quart, 16-quart bucket. But smaller batches, it's fantastic. It's nimble. You don't have to find a power cord. You're up and running and you've got blending and whisking action when you need it the most. So we're going to put a link down below to this. Interested in what cool tools you use? We'd love to feature them here on this segment. We need more cool tools. So link to purchase this is down below. It's our Amazon affiliate account. I think you're going to find small tools like this will really make your flavor development, flavor profile life a lot easier. Let us know your cool tools that you use. We'd love to feature them. Let us know how much you love Dan Blessing and the crew at ABW Innovations. Their link is down below. And what else is there to say, bud? Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.